Hello, hello.
What's
Welcome.
up?
What's up? This is actually a new panel. I think we're doing all of us together for the first time.
Yeah.
Yes, I think this is the first time I'm doing a panel with Satish.
Yes.
Satish, yes. And what a glorious day to do this. I don't think so there has been a better day to do this.
United
Not in
is
the
red.
last year at
United is
least.
red.
Satish, red se to theek hai, but where is your Arsenal jersey? Has it gone to a drawing competition?
Ashamed to wear that today, especially after now. We blew away the chances yesterday. Oh my God! This is like God has given you two chances. Both the chances we drew. Not even scored a single goal. So I don't know whether we are in the reckoning for the championship. Yeah, I know 6 points we are ahead and all that stuff. That is all okay. But the way we
So,
play,
so
let's talk about United first. Yeah.
No, we will. We will. See, this call is specific to United only, but first I want to get the disappointment out of the way. And fortunately, there is no Surya on the call. Otherwise, I would have enjoyed this a lot because the
No, but
personal gussa bhi ho sakta hai.
but
But
yeah.
uh,
But very bad. I saw the whole match. I know there were no clinicality. There was nothing yesterday. We played the same way, how we played Liverpool, right? I think there were a couple of chances with Martinelli missing, from the left hand side. Arteta changed the entire, the front four in the second half. We were not potent enough. I think we allowed Nottingham to play their game. We didn't don't deserve to. We didn't deserve.
but Satish, it is bound to happen. Right? Somewhere Arsenal has to make this league exciting. They don't want to be 9 points clear of the competition. Uh, Now it's 7 points. If Villa does well today, then it's going to be
4 points.
4 points. And then the next game, Arsenal
So
is playing United.
yeah, so that is where now I'm coming to. So I'll just give you a very good anecdote, right? I think 2008, 2009, Arsenal were blowing away with the season. They were, I think, 11 points ahead, and this is where they decided to, blow up, right? And I am still seeing that same thing, going back. And of course, United is no longer in the reckoning for this year's Premier League. But having said that, United travels to Arsenal, and that might change, that might change Arsenal season because looking at what the last two matches, really, really poor performance. It's not about like hardly there were shots on target. It's just that we were not there to win. The team lacked motivation. I guess somewhere down the line we disappointed. So it looks difficult. I think when if you see how United played yesterday, which I thought the United of the earlier season has come back, and looking at how Carrick played, oh my God, the Carrick coached, and I think he brought some motivation down to the team. It was a good match. City having no shots on goal is unfathomable. I can't believe any team can do that to them. It was unbelievable.
I, I'll tell you what, yesterday United just did not win. We just didn't win. United, like I said, United easily actually scored 6 goals yesterday. आधा डजन गोल मारा है टकले की टीम को. उसने सेमेनियो खरीदा, चरखी लेके आया, अभी यूएई भी हो गया ऑलमोस्ट. एंड दिस इज अ यूनाइटेड टीम जो 4 मैच में 6 गोल नहीं मार पा रहा. We were consistently drawing with other teams, and suddenly वो क्या है, यूनाइटेड डीएनए everybody was talking about, right? तो कल एक्चुअली ये डीएनए वीएनए में दिखाया. कल मैनचेस्टर विल ऑलवेज बी रेड, एंड मैन सिटी को दिखाया तुम्हारा बाप कौन है पीछे. हमारी हालांड का शक्ल देखा तूने कल?
He
उसका
was
कल
substitute.
उसके फर्स्ट में जो लास्ट है लांड, तो परफेक्ट था उसका शक्ल कल.
Kalka performance was unexpectedly great.
Where did that come from?
Uh, I mean, it's been there in the team, right? The one thing that Amorim managed to do good, right, was he ensured that our players can run, and essentially that's what they did yesterday. They ran.
But under Amorim, we were running away from the trophy. This is now running towards
No, it's
trophy.
it's completely like the players are the same. Their strategy has changed. I was very surprised and very scared that Cunha didn't start,
Yes,
but
hope. But
I I was really very surprised with how the team was set up and how we played. Uh, I think Dorgu, like at the start of the season, was supposed to be the wild card for Amorim. He is the wild card for United, though. He's playing something very different from what we expected him to
But
when he came.
Mario, don't you think this is what exactly happens when you put players in the right position, the position that they're supposed to play?
I don't think players are in the right position still, but
Why? Dude, Ahmad's already gone aage. Bichara, he became a wing back under Amorim. Dorgu used to be, I don't know, all over the park, left back, right back. Now he has a fixed place. Bumo, and most importantly, screw all of these guys. Bruno Fernandes is playing as a number 10 again. And what a game yesterday.
yeah.
Single-handedly took Manchester City's defense midfield by the scruff of the neck, bent them over, gave him a nice blow job, choked him, बाजू में फेंका.
No,
Right.
it's all the way Carrick set up actually. It's the same team that I mean, of course, Ahmad and Wemo were out when Fletcher had the team, but it's the way Carrick set the team up, and
3 counter.
that's the items that made a difference. So it's not the players as much as the strategy for this one. My only concern is right that this kind of style will work well for us against bigger teams, where they attack and we counter. We saw this under Ten Hag as well. We were like good against bigger teams where we sat and countered. So the thing to see is what characters against the teams where we have to break it down. But all in all, I'm just happy with the way the players came out, the effort they put in, the style they played. It was great to see that there was heart in everybody, and it looked like from the start that they wanted to win. It didn't look like they just came for another performance.
Every player, Satish, and this is, I mean, you are from a neutral perspective. I don't know if you saw the game, but
Sorry, fully.
every battle, you saw, right? Yeah. Every battle, United versus City, every player, every pocket, United player was winning that battle. Physically and skill. Suddenly we were looking like a bloody 1999 का Manchester United. One touch passes. वो तीन लोग के बीच में वो क्या रोंडा वोंडा टाटा जो भी होता है वो लेके बॉल आगे. I'm like, City's defense is not bad. They have a pretty solid back four with a nice midfield, and them getting bullied. Yeah, fine, it's Old Trafford, but Manchester United has been sucking off late at Old Trafford. We've had 3 games in the past, we just drew those games, if not lost. And then suddenly and this is again, I would sound like a person who's not very excited and positive. No. This is a very same kind of a Manchester United cycle. नया मैनेजर आया अंदर उधर also पहला 5-6 गेम क्या खेले थे हम लोग अंदर राल्फ रागनिक पहला 2 गेम गेगन प्रेसिंग सारा प्रेस निकल गया दो गेम. Only manager that we fucked up with in the first game and then we kept fucking is Amorim technically.
Yeah.
हम लोग ने अमोरिम के साथ भी सिर्फ पहला मैच से ड्रॉ किया था and then we just kept losing. There was never a time that we actually put in consistent performances.
Correct.
And the same cycle is repeated. Suddenly you have Carrick, United DNA appointed by the great Sir Gary Neville apparently क्योंकि United board ने appoint किया उसको and then suddenly United first game off the blocks. Yes, we didn't have any possession, but we have 30-40% possession in the first 20-25 minutes, but we already had 2 goals disallowed.
Yeah. So I think two things, two important points which I think should be mentioned. First is Bruno was allowed to play in his natural position. Right, I think that was
Very important
in the strategy. Second is you have to also appreciate the fact that City's defense is not up to the mark because they have injuries, right? So there were a couple of factors which affected this game. Having said that, what came out yesterday was United were fearless. I think, if you see, we were seeing all the 4-5 matches where they drew, right? They were, even though they were going after the opposition, they were not lethal. Yesterday, if you see the first goal, right, it was absolutely super counter attack, which we know
Yeah.
was created of the earlier days, right? So this was something which was very new. I think what is going to happen probably against Arsenal is he'll continue the same thing. Because Arsenal are vulnerable against pace. I believe the same strategy will work. But having said that, all the United, erstwhile United players do have a very good record against City. So I think Ole Gunnar also had a very good record against City, right? So this
But not
might be.
Amorim. Not Amorim.
So
Back
Amorim
as a
doesn't have the
champion.
United. Amorim doesn't have the United DNA, right? So probably yes, against City तो हो गया. But let's see against you. So I'm
Satish,
not.
you sound like वो कौन है वो?
Neville.
Baby, कौन है वो? Hey, fuck, I forgot the name. अरे legend अपना captain.
Roy Keane.
Roy Keane. You sound like Roy Keane now. United DNA. United DNA.
अभी
Yeah,
that is
but I'll tell you what. The one player, everyone played well yesterday. Because we're talking about United DNA and all that shit, which I don't truly believe in. Because United DNA सिर्फ एक ही बंदे में है, वो है सर एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन. वो नहीं होता ना तो इन चूतियों में भी कोई DNA नहीं आया होता. ये जो इतना दिन भर चिल्लाते रहते ना उधर, oh my god, United DNA, what DNA? He put DNA in you, you fuckers. You had nothing. You would have played at Tottenham or bloody West Ham or somewhere. But the player that yesterday stood out for me, Lisandro Martinez, the only player that probably does not have United DNA, comes from a Dutch league. He was brought in by Ten Hag, not supposedly as per Premier League stature and standards from the height and the build perspective, but उस भाई ने हालैंड को क्या पॉकेट में रखा. I have never seen Haaland getting substituted.
never.
Haaland
That's the
gets
point.
sub.
Never.
Haaland got substituted.
I think-
is the biggest news of the thing yesterday. I think he was just neutralized. Yeah, I think that itself gives you a good point.
No.
He was dominant.
The fact that Pep realized that, right, and tried to change things at that point only, the game was kind of 3/4 over because
Yeah.
he didn't have any options. He removed Haaland, but what were the options that he had to put out there?
And they had this, no, Ryan Shawky, जो last time बोला था, I'm going
It's-
to United pay. Oh my god. See, this is what.
वो they made him pay ना, वो टिकट आके उसी के अगेंस्ट किया.
That's what I. See, this is what I talk about karma. Don't do that. You don't know what Premier League is. You haven't played in any game at Premier League. You played one game against United. वो भी तुम हारे. ठीक है. Olympic Lyon played well, but we won for whatever reason 5-3 somehow. And then you go to City, apparently a big team, and then you're making such big statements. Who's eating humble pie now at the end?
Stay humble.
You look like a. Stay humble,
Stay
eh?
humble.
Stay humble. अन्ना, वो आज तो अपनी टीम की गन क्यों मार रहा है? इसमें record है.
No, I'm just saying that it's United. United did a revenge. Yeah, definitely. Stay humble.
But I'll tell you what, मेरे को इतना सरप्राइजिंग लगता है मारियो एंड सतीश की हम लोग यूनाइटेड का फैन तब से नहीं है. It's been a while, like I don't know, decades. And now we're just getting happy because we defeated City. हम लोग के लिए पहले सिटी छोटा टीम होता था 2013-12 के पहले. Hey, City के साथ गेम है, it's a 3 point in the bag. And suddenly we are like, oh, we defeated City. We are having call and we are enjoying. So
नहीं भाई, last year's treble winner है.
last to last year.
Last year, sorry. So
नहीं, ऐसा मत बोल, अभी जाके मारेगा, उससे प्रीमियर लीग जीता है. अब लिवरपूल.
but I mean, they technically the only other treble winner in Premier League is City. So
From United, yes.
so
But-
it is a big thing, right?
But if coming second was treble, then Arsenal भी 3 बार second है. So that is also a treble.
We always.
If coming second was a talent, right? Then Arsenal has like more trebles than anybody else, I think.
You do know, Mario, we were just talking about karma. We shouldn't be bad-mouthing or taking Arsenal's game. Next game that we are going to talk about with our Arsenal expert in
No,
the app.
but I like the good part about this game was, right, we now have 2 left wingers, we have 3 center forwards, and we have 2 right wingers. So now we have enough depth in the left and right, that we can keep changing people.
You know, Mario, what's the worst thing about this game?
What?
It gave us hope. जो next week Arsenal ले लेगा. वापस upset.
अरे चलेगा मेरे को. स्टार्ट ऑफ द सीजन अपना टारगेट टॉप 6 था, हम 5th पे है.
हम अपना एक ही गेम खेल रहे हैं, वो लोग
It doesn't matter.
हम
We are above expectation right now. टॉप 6 में आना था, हम है.
मैं टॉप 2 में होना चाहिए. वी आर प्लेइंग 1 गेम अ वीक. हम EFL से बाहर हैं, हम वो क्या है, FA से बाहर हैं. अब वो दूसरी टीम को पैसा दे के खेलना पड़ रहा है. वेडनेसडे थर्सडे को हमारे साथ आके फ्रेंडली खेलो घर पे.
Focus.
We are focused on finishing 4th. We have now become Arsenal. हमें
बस.
टॉप 4 में आना है.
अपने को टॉप 4 में आना है. अगले साल के लिए फिर नया कोच लेके आएंगे.
हम यही करते रहे, फिर उसको 6 महीने में निकालेंगे.
अरे अपना चैनल भी तो चलना चाहिए ना, बात करने के लिए कुछ तो होना चाहिए. जीते जाएंगे तो क्या ही बात करें.
बात करने के लिए बोलते हैं आजकल. वैसे नाउ कमिंग बैक टू दिस,
देख बेचारा आर्सेनल प्लेयर टॉप पे है, लेकिन फिर भी बात करने को कुछ नहीं.
अभी तो उसका टीम तो ड्राइंग कंपटीशन कर रहा है ना आजकल. लास्ट 2-3 गेम्स they drew against Arsenal.
वो भी without scoring a goal.
But I'll tell you what, Sattu, screw all this. We actually are not talking about Sean Dyche. What he's done to this Nottingham Forest. Yes, they do Arsenal and all that. Arsenal was playing away. ठीक है, हो जाता है. But man, that guy has drilled. And this all happened when the first game that Nottingham Forest played with the new coach against United.
Yeah.
Sean Dyche came, his first game with this Nottingham Forest team was against United, where he played literally out of the skin and they drew the game or something like that.
They were leading.
They were leading at one point of time and then we drew, obviously scored from back. But my God, Sean Dyche has actually Nuno Espirito छोड़ के गया. Then they were struggling with Ange Postecoglou, Satish head coach.
Nuno is also no less, right, at West Ham.
Shortest tenure, I think. अब वाजपेयी का भी रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया लग in a
नहीं,
football season.
shortest tenure I think football coach का I think नहीं 9 matches ना. Ange Postecoglou was 9 matches.
9 होगा, हाँ 9 matches 2 महीना I think.
9 ही था. 9 matches at Nottingham Forest.
Nottingham.
I think he did 10 games something. एक ही game जीता था. Premier League में he didn't win any game. Dropped all the games with Nottingham Forest. Drew one, lost all.
Lost all, yeah. He did not win anything. Yes.
Sir, the might Ange Postecoglou from Australia.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के नाम पे कलंक है.
भाई एक सेकेंड, फिर भी नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट की बोर्ड में अक्कल है. 1-2 महीने में हटाया. हमने एक मैनेजर को 15 महीने चलाया और फिर निकाल दिया और उसके सिटी को हरा दिया.
हटा दिया सिटी. But yeah, to come to the point, you're absolutely right. He's taken up Nottingham Forest, to a greater height of where they were. I don't think comparing and doing with Arsenal should be a barometer. I think before that he had built in a good system. So he has a very strong system, strong defense lineup, and it's not that they were in the entire match they were defending, right? They also had chances. Of course, shot on target was almost zero and all that, but at the end of the day, they were there to draw against the leaders and he achieved their target, right? So that is more important. And credit to him, definitely. He's a good coach. So I think those guys who are, put in that, in your face kind of coaching, they are the ones who actually do well against Arsenal. And I think he just proved that.
Yeah. But actually, I'll tell you what, I mean, Arsenal should be a little happy at this point of time. Although it's impossible with United, because imagine if Manchester City would have won the game. The pressure on Arsenal would have actually been a lot at this point of time.
I think
dropping points too.
It would have been better. I think if City had even drawn, at least they would have had some fire. They both the time, right, against Liverpool and this United, they had a clear chance. It's not that Nottingham is not a great side, and the Liverpool side which we played, they are not a good side. If you want to be that's what I'm saying. Even though we have 4 points or 7 points, whatever, depending on Villa, you can't be champions.
Yeah.
Right? You see the United team, right? They were ruthless. They were always scoring goals. You cannot have a team who can't score goals. As simple as that. And this is where my problem with Arteta is that he forget the Chelsea match, right? That was a very crappy match. Liverpool and Nottingham Forest, they were not able to break down their defenses. What they were doing is just on the flanks they were pulling out. There was Gyökeres, I believe he's a failed project. He's not doing. He missed the sitter. So
Sesko ले लो तुम लोग.
नहीं, Sesko चाहिए मेरे को. Sesko is better than Gyökeres.
Yeah,
I'm telling
definitely.
Much better. प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए था ना उनको
प्रोजेक्ट
इसलिए।
चाहिए था ना. आई थिंक यू ऑल शुड गो फॉर हॉयलैंड. वो नापोली में बहुत गोल मार रहा है
बहुत
apparently,
मार.
and Conte is ventured making statements. Conte, oh, you need to coach a player. You need to coach a player because he doesn't score. You don't shun him out. Well, there is a difference between two leagues. तेरे लीग में सिर्फ 2 ही टीम है जो अच्छा खेलते हैं.
अच्छा खेलती है.
इधर आ प्रीमियर लीग. Brentford, Nottingham Forest is drawing to Arsenal. Burnley is drawing to Liverpool. Struggling Manchester United is kicking Man City's ass. There is no certainty here.
Premier League is.
And Tottenham lost again.
Tottenham won. Yes.
Any which ways, I don't care. It was a great day.
Yes.
Showing Pep Guardiola who's the papa. You can build. You can take as much. You can be Donald Trump. Go to Venezuela. Get all the oil. Sell the oil. Get the players. But Manchester will always be red. DNA, बाप, हम ही हैं सब जो भी है. Father DNA. And it just is lovely to see Guardiola scratching his head and Haaland sitting like a lame cock.
It is so good to see Sir Alex Ferguson laughing the way, smiling the way he was.
And just the 8 game pehle, I could sense that Alex Ferguson probably was going to throw chappal at Fletcher. He almost said, I read, he's like, for fuck's sakes, what's happening? Imagine a man watching his own club fall into pieces. He built this kingdom, right? It was his kingdoms till 2013. उसने बनाया है ये मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. नहीं तो उसके पहले बसबी बेब्स ने कुछ किया था. I agree, but United before 1988 was always a bigger club, but not the level of success that anybody has seen, right? And suddenly we see this, and then we're again back to shit. But again, not getting overjoyed and overbuoyed by Manchester United's performance against City, because again, we need to understand City is a struggling. 2 साल से वो भी struggle कर रहा है. Pep Guardiola seems to be out of a little debt. He needs break. Similarly, as Satish said, if you have to be champion, you need to close surgery. You cannot be giving your other teams इतने सारे opportunities to get back into the league. At least on 4 different occasions, Arsenal ने ये season already chance दे के रखा है. वो बात अलग है, Liverpool और Man City equally टट्टी कर रहे हैं. They are also dropping points. So weak Arsenal drop points. Yes. Good. Next week, big game again for our channel specifically. We will do a preview somewhere in the weekday. अभी तो नहीं, it will be a little too early. अभी तो Arsenal fans दुखी है और United fans तो अभी आसमान से नीचे नहीं आए. So we will wait for them to descend back to earth for the United fans. जो अभी Old Trafford के ऊपर खड़े हैं.
लोगों तो लग रहा है कि हम आर्सेनल के अगेंस्ट जीत भी गए ऑलरेडी.
तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, the worst thing that has come out of this derby game is hope. Why did we get hope? I did not wanted that. Let's see what happens. But again, great weekend, great week. Satish has already dropped his internet. It's not paid. Guys, please like, share, subscribe so that Satish can pay his internet bill and Arsenal can win the title. Thank you, Mario, for joining the call and sharing my happiness. And glory, Man United.
Finally.